It's FabFitFun Customization category number 4. So if you want to learn more about the products you could choose from, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's outside going potty with Nana. You might get a little Nan Cam action right there. And Chloe's just hanging out. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope that you like all things FabFitFun. We do here. Maybe that's what brought you in. Maybe you stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So customization number 4. Let's get right into it. It starts off with the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. This is a $26 value. It is very light. It's going to be great for right in here, and it is shimmery, so it's also going to be great for right up here. Now, this is a female-owned company. It is cruelty-free, I believe, vegan as well. The stick is a cream-to-powder highlighter and eyeshadow stick. It's going to brighten tired eyes with a soft, radiant glow, they say. It has nourishing emollients like macadamia and meadow foam seed oils to hydrate while smoothing fine lines, which means that it's not going to get stuck in the creases. And if you're using it under here, it should not get stuck in the creases. It should actually start hydrating. It says it has light reflecting pigments that provide a universally flattering shimmer and enhances radiance without creasing, and it's safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Now, this also has jojoba seed oil. It has mango seed oil, sunflower seed oil. So lots of great oils, which, you know, is great for older skin. This is female founded, as I said, and ships everywhere. All right, next by Ceremonia is their Guava Leave-In Conditioner. Now, I have several different Ceremonia products. I do enjoy them. This is a $27 value. I don't have this one. I have several others, though. It says that Ceremonia's Guava Leave-In Conditioner is an Allure Best of Beauty winner that repairs hair quickly. It's powered by super fruit guava and protects hair from UV. Tamarind is going to deeply hydrate for maximum shine, and avocado to combat frizz. So if I'm going to go between this and the Exmondo, I'd probably go with this one, only because I've had other things from this particular brand and really enjoy it. And this also has agave leaf extract, aloe leaf extract. It does have fragrance, but it's usually like a fruity, juicy kind of fragrance. This is female founded and has no shipping restrictions. All right, next we have another Thrive Cosmetics. This is their Liquid Brow Laminating Lifting Gel. It's a $26 value. It's going to be in a clear, and it says it's powered by lamination lock technology, which is going to be a proprietary blend for them, and equipped with a dual-ended precision brush to allow for easy shaping, separating, and smoothing to create perfectly polished brows with minimal effort. As we said before, this brand is vegan and cruelty-free, paraben and sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. There are no synthetic fragrances. This is a female-founded brand with no shipping restrictions. All right, my kitchen gurus, this one's for you. By Darling Society is a set of silicone trivets, and how stinking cute are these? All right, this is going to be in my box. No matter what, these are definitely going to be in there. So these are flexible and easy to clean. They offer a modern flair to your kitchen while shielding surfaces from hot cookware. And there are 2 large, which are 6.5 inches in diameter, and 1 medium, which is 5.5 inches in diameter. And again, they are a perfect fall color, really giving you that fall feel right there. This is female founded and will ship everywhere. Also in this category by Darling Society is a set of 4 cotton napkins, and it looks like we're going to have 2 colors to choose from. Either that or they're reversible. You can machine wash and tumble dry low, and they are 100% cotton, and it's a female founded company, and it ships everywhere. Next by Love AJ is their seashell threader earring in gold or silver. It's a $58 value. Now, as much as I like little seashells, I don't like threader earrings. They feel kind of weird to me. I don't know. It's probably just like an in my head thing, but yeah, I don't care for those. They are minimalist and lightweight, and they're super pretty. Like if they weren't threader earrings, 100%. It says they glide effortlessly through the air, adding a subtle yet stylish touch to any look. They are nickel and cadmium free. The threader is 3.7 inches long. The charm is 0.25 inches, and the chain is 0.7 millimeters wide. And this is a female-founded brand with no shipping restrictions. Next, by 8 Other Reasons, is a jewelry travel bag. This is a $49.95, let's just say $50 value. And I don't travel, so this isn't on my radar. I don't really go anywhere. And if I do, whatever jewelry I'm wearing is probably the jewelry I'm going to have with me the entire time. I'll just wear something simple. I don't know. I grew up in that time where, like, don't wear a lot of jewelry because it makes you a target. So I've always thought that when I've traveled. Like, nope, I'm just going to wear, like, a simple necklace, my watch, a ring, a couple of bracelets, that's it. And they'd be, like, these kind of bracelets, things that are not, like, going to catch anybody's attention. So this has dedicated compartments for earrings, rings, bracelets, and necklaces to prevent tangling and make packing a breeze. It is 17.52 inches by 5 inches by 9.1 inches. The necklace buckled straps display 10 necklaces total. Bottom earring panel fits 8 pairs of earrings. Ring bands that fit 12 rings. Earring grid that fits 4 pairs of earrings. Side earring panel for another 5 pairs of earrings, and then a top earring panel for 6 pairs of dainty earrings. How many earrings are we bringing on vacation? Oh my goodness. All right, so you're going to spot clean this only with a damp cloth. Keep out of direct sunlight. It is 70% vegan leather, 20% polyester, 5% PVC, and 5% metal. And there are no shipping restrictions, so you can get it anywhere. And then last in this category is the Lit Method digital offer. This is a 6-month trial. It's a $60 value. And this is an app that has expert-led strength programs, one-on-one coaching, Pilates classes, mindfulness sessions, and more. And again, what they'll do is they will send you a code that you're going to put in when you start the membership. And then cancel anytime. Just go to the membership tab and hit cancel. And you can get this from anywhere. All right, so what are you guys excited about? I am excited that I don't want everything in this category. I do want those silicone trivets. That's a definite. The leave-in conditioner also. I'm a fan of that brand, and that eye brightener. I like that too. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. What are you planning to put in your box if you get it? If you don't, what would you put in your box? Like, what would be your wish list? All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.